Guys, so sinundo natin yung client natin sa Dubai Airport Terminal 1 na nakaraan na hinar ni Ornella. So ngayon bibisitahin natin yung tao na kinuha nila from the Philippines at papakita natin kung ano ba yung salon na meron sila. Kasi guys, alam nyo ba na mag-hire pa sila ng 6 na all around beautician. So marunong mag-eyelashes, nails, and marunong mag-massage. So pantahan natin at tingnan natin kung ano ba ang meron dito sa loob. So let's go! So, it's a beauty salon. So, puro pambabae lang yung meron dito. Pero, syempre, papapasokan tayo habang wala pang tao sa loob or wala pang customer. Let's go. So, here is Ornella Beauty Boutique. So, in case na mag-a-apply kayo, actually, medyo malayo lang sa Dubai kasi this is Abu Dhabi and it takes 4 hours away from Dubai. But, you know, kung mag-work kayo, pera-pera, why not work here in this kind of company? And let's go! Hi! So, finally, we are here. So, this is Ornella. And here is the reception. Hi! How are you? Good. So, she's the receptionist here in Ornella's Beauty Salon. Hello, can I put you this? I'm sorry. I'll just... No worries, that's okay, that's okay. Yeah. I'll just put you here. Okay.
You're the manager here?
Yes. What's your name?
Here. Carol.
Carol.
From
so
Syria.
You're from Syria.
Yes.
Wow, nice meeting you, Miss Carol.
Thank you.
So what is Ornella?
Ornella is a salon for ladies. We offer many services and we offer also very high quality products.
Wow.
Kevin Murphy, Lakme, high quality
High
products.
quality, okay.
You can check.
So we're going inside. They're going to show us what is the beauty salon of Ornella here in the UAE. So this is quite big. Wow.
Yes, very big.
So please come inside and you can see this is for hairs.
This is hair salon. Here we have many treatments for hair. I told you about Lakme and Kevin Murphy. We have mineral treatments.
Okay.
And we have hair colors.
Wow.
Also, this is without ammonia. It's very high quality
So
product.
do you have a lot of Filipino or
Yes,
Filipina?
yes.
Yeah,
all our staff is from Philippines.
Wow.
Yes.
Why do you like Filipino staff?
Because they are very good. The customers here, they prefer the Filipino ladies to work for them.
Wow.
Yes.
So you're having a lot of customers because of
Yes,
the Filipino.
yes.
So at this side, so that
This
side is
side.
for the hairs and
And
this
this side for nail salon.
for nail salon.
Yes.
Wow, it's very cozy.
Yes.
And it's real nice. Look at this. So in case that you're going to do nails.
Nails, we do nails, gel polish, everything. We offer everything for nails. And the treatments also for feet, for hands, everything, yani.
Everything here.
Yes.
Wow. So you're making everyone beautiful,
Yes,
right?
sure.
So at this side, so this is really big. Outside, you
Yes.
cannot see that it's really big unless you go inside, right?
Yes, very big.
So
I will show you here also. This side.
it's for massage. Hi.
No.
By the way, here's Miss Marie Chris. Marie Chris is the new hired person from the Philippines. Hi, Miss Marie Chris. So she's working here for 2 days now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we visited her as well. Okay, so at this side, we're just going to check for Miss Marie Chris. Hold on,
Yes.
yeah.
This is the facial room.
Ah,
We do
facial
hydra
room.
facial for face.
Okay.
Yes, we have this machine. This is very good. And we do also waxing for full body.
Full body.
Yes.
Mashallah.
We do everything here. We have also here this product for facial.
Yeah,
can check.
wow.
Yes.
So you have a lot of services here.
Yes, we have a lot of services.
And all Filipinos are doing this.
All Filipinos.
Do you train them, or better that if you're going to hire from the Philippines, they already know what they're going to do?
They are know everything.
They
The
know, they
Filipinos,
should
they
know,
everything,
yeah.
Yes.
They must know everything first before you come over here. So what she's saying is, guys, if you're going to apply to Ornella, you have to submit as your CB so we can, give it to the employer directly, but you need to prepare your videos that you know how to do massage. Do you
Yes.
also do massage here?
Yes, I do massage here.
Ah, you do massage here as well. So for nails, you need to have a video or photos that you're the one who's making it, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
I will show you also. We have here.
Okay.
This is a Moroccan base.
Oh, they also have Moroccan bath. So
Yes.
for people who doesn't know what's Moroccan bath, this is you're scrubbing all the
Scrubbing,
bodies.
yes,
Yeah,
and
so
so-
this is really nice and
Yes.
cool. Look at
It's
this.
very nice. Here's
And-
the customers, they like this site so much.
Yeah, I like it, and the
Yes.
smell is really good as well.
This is for cleaning, scrubbing, everything.
They also do Moroccan bath to all people.
No, they do for me.
Oh, mashallah, they do it for you.
Yes.
Okay, and this side, what is here?
This side, massage.
Mm-hmm.
We have many kinds of massage.
Okay.
Wood massage, hot stone massage,
Okay.
يعني many.
Many, okay, and this,
yes.
they have a professional massage bed.
Yes,
That's the good
professional.
thing.
We have a therapy massage here.
While doing the massage, there are also music.
Yes, we put music and we put lights, everything.
Mashallah.
Yes.
And this side,
side-
you also have
Have makeup room.
makeup room, okay.
Yes, also Filipino do this.
Do you
And-
also do it?
Yes. they do everything here in salon.
But for the Filipinos, so most of your clients are locals, right? So for Filipinos, I think locals makeup is different.
Yes, but we buy يعني
Yeah, that's okay, that's okay.
okay, we buy high quality brands here from Dubai. Famous brands. They know everything. Also, the Filipinos, they know the brands.
They know
here.
the
Yes.
customer wants. And
Yes,
see,
what
as you
customer
can
wants.
see here, you can feel you're very special.
Yes.
Because why do you do this? Are they going to get married? Okay,
Yes.
so at this side, so this is the waiting area where they
Yes,
are
waiting
waiting.
area for makeup and massage.
Makeup and massage.
Yes, sometimes we are busy here.
Okay, so
Yes.
why do you like Filipina clients? And this one, I think we're already done with this, right?
Maybe yes,
Yeah.
facial room and eyelashes.
Facial room and eyelashes. Okay, so why do you want to hire a Filipina or Filipino
Yes.
from the Philippines?
Because the people here, the customers, they prefer to come here because they like the Filipino. Their work is very good, and they are. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, at
Okay.
least they are really good. And here's Miss Marie Chris. So Miss Marie Chris is the one
Marie Chris,
that we
yes.
hired from the Philippines. So
Yes.
I'm just going to get this. Hold on for a while. So Miss Marie Chris, how is it working here?
Okay naman, tsaka mababait sila lahat. At halos Pilipino kami. Si Maganda, you're Filipino, right?
Yes.
They said it.
I know many words.
So, do you know the meaning of maganda?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Wow!
Very beautiful.
So, she told me that you already had the first customer before.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, just today.
Yeah,
Today?
the first.
Yeah, Miss Marie Chris is working here just only for 2 days because we just deployed her yesterday. And what did you do?
I do nails.
She do nails, pedicure, manicure,
Uh-huh.
and the customer she like it here. We got a very good feedback.
Yes, that's a good thing. You're having a very good feedback. And did you get a tip?
Yeah.
Ay! That's the good thing. If they're having a tip, you're going to be motivated, right?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
much? You can share us. Ay, just kidding.
No! It's my first dirham.
Okay, I just have a question because you work from the Philippines and you work and now you're working here in United Arab Emirates. So what's the difference between working in the Philippines and here with your first customer?
Sa Pilipinas, mas mga masungit pa doon eh.
Ay, talaga?
Oo, dito naman maselan sila, pero pag alam yung ginagawa mo, ang bait talaga nila.
Ang bait nila talaga.
Ang bait
And
nila.
yeah. So you're always getting a feedback from the client after,
Yes,
right?
always, yes. When
Always.
they finish, and they always like their work.
Yes, so that's a good thing because they really want to are from the Philippines. That's why we're telling you guys if you want to apply here at Ernella, so send us your CV and then we're going to send it to the owner. Ano ang kailangan ng mga candidate para makapag-apply dito? Anong kailangan nila?
Dapat marunong kayo sa nails, sa lashes, basic facial, massage, and then yung blower talaga mostly yun ang ginagawa niya. Kasi sa Pilipinas more on plancha tayo eh.
Dito blower.
Blower, dapat yun talaga yung tutunan nyo kasi ang customer, pag magaling kayo, magaling din yung bigayan. Charot lang!
Yes. So sinasabi naman ni Madam na dito na talagang flexible ka, hindi dapat na pag hair lang. So dapat all around beautician talaga dito, no? So si Madam ang isa sa mga patunay na talagang kinaya niya. Wow! Kasi nagawa niyo no?
Kakayanin.
Yeah. So kung kayo mag-a-apply dito, kailangan i-prepare nila ang mga videos. Di ba nag-send kayo ng mga videos?
Yung videos nakasali talaga kayo. Kahit naka-time-lapse ka.
Oo, na kayo talaga ang gumagawa.
Kasi pag hindi ganun, parang nag-aalangan. Kaya nga sabi ni Madam sa akin dati na baka ano lang daw, baka ginawa ko daw sa Google.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko, Madam, hindi. I show you the work and
Wow!
mga videos yun, naniwala na siya na ako talaga yung magawa.
At pinatunayan mo talaga.
Oo naman.
Kasi ginawa mo din daw yung book ni Madam? May ginawa ka ba kay Madam?
This one.
You're the one who made this! She make it for you?
Yes, she made my hair yesterday
Uh-huh.
because it was not nice. I have 4 colors in my hair before. Now it's only 1 color.
So you love it now?
I love it so much.
Yeah,
Yes.
mashallah. At least now, na-try niya. You tried her work
Yes,
on
I
you
tried
itself
her.
because
Yes.
if she's not good, you're not going to ask her to do it for you, right?
She's very professional in hair.
Yeah. Okay. And they also have a Filipino worker here because she told me that they all have how many staff? How many Filipino staff do you have here again?
We have now 4 staff.
4 staff.
Because tapos na yung dalawang kontrata ng
Mm-mm.
ano na sila nagbakasyon or nasa
Uuwi sila ng Pilipinas. Okay. So, they're going to think, or Madam will think if they want to renew or not. Ay! Okay, let's ask some Filipinos working here as well because we already asked Miss Marie Chris na bago siya dito. She's new and this is what she feels na talagang they
welcome you.
very welcoming. You can feel the, pagiging kapamilya talaga dito sa loob ng ano. No?
Pagdating ko dito, wala talaga, wala akong pera, walang bigas. Siyempre,
Seryoso?
bigas yung importante sa ating mga Pinoy kasi always naman tayo kumakain ng bigas. And then, tinulungan nila ako.
Paano sinabi mo? Ganun ka?
Grabe
Ano?
Joke lang. Sabi nila na, huwag ka nang bumili muna, kami munang bahala sa inyo. Next time, yun na, baga na tayo. Pag ngayon, kami muna.
Yes.
Yan nga, pinapasalamat ko kasi napunta ako sa mabuting amo, mabuting mga kasama din.
Sa free accommodation, no?
Tsaka mabuting agency.
Yes! Parang hindi totoo naman, nakakatuwa kasi ganun di ka nila pinapabayaan. And sinabi mo rin sa amin kanina na binigyan ka ni Madam ng pera.
Oo, but Madam told, give me 200 dirhams for my allowance and foods.
But that's not salary deduction.
No.
Wow, mashallah. That's the good thing, no? At least may bahay na siya. Pero grabe talaga, when you come here, you don't have money, no? Talagang
Walang pera. Alam mo, Sir Ali, sinasabi ko sa kanya, Sir Ali, nag-hotel ako, 1,000 na lang yung pera ko, anin ka mo ito, magta-taxi pa ako, papunta rin. Tapos pagdating ko sa airport, mali pa yung sinakyan ko, dapat Terminal 1 ako, pumunta ako ng Terminal 3. So sabi ko ka, Sir Ali, pagdating ko talaga dyan, Sir, wala talaga akong pera. Totoo
oh my
yan.
God. Kaya pala, kanina, kasama namin siya, nagpabili siya ng vape.
Sir!
At least, di ba, everything is a race. But do you think yung pagre-race mo is, ano talaga siya? Worth it?
Yeah, sir, talaga.
That's
kasi
the good
kung
thing.
hindi mo susubukan, hindi mo malalaman. Ganun pala yun.
Yes, totoo naman talaga yan. And now, nag-i-start ka pa lang, madami ka pang pagsubok na pagdadaanan.
Madami pa, sir. Hopefully, matutunan ako sa mga kasama ko. Especially maganda.
Yes, she's telling me that you're going to teach her
Yes.
a lot of things. Yeah. And where is some Filipina here that we can ask? Because, so there you go, there you go. Hello, ate. Hello. Ano ba? So guys, so syempre, na-interview na natin si Miss Marie Chris. Miss Marie Chris, halika dito Miss Marie Chris kasi we're going to interview as well yung mga matatagal na nagtatrabaho dito kay Ernella. And what's her name po?
Cheryl po.
Miss Cheryl. Okay, how long you been working here po?
2 years na po.
2 years na. So, kamusta naman po yung pag-work dito? Kasi syempre si Miss Marie Chris is bago lang po dito.
Yung work po dito, okay naman. Kaya lang kailangan na po, medyo i-adjust lang yung trabaho natin sa Pilipinas. Medyo, sabihin natin, magaling tayo.
May question
Pero
ako. may question ako. Kasi, eto kanina, pumunta kami dun sa tapos pumunta kami sa makeup. Okay. So ngayon, syempre sa Philippines, pag nag-makeup ka, I think light lang. Pero pag yung mga lokal yung mini-makeupan nila, kamusta ang adjustment? Syempre,
Dito po kasi sa Pilipinas, ang makeup super paborito lang. Ano lang yung mga light lang, no? Dito kasi pakapala ng makeup. Kung ang makeup mo contour mo rito ay manipis ay doon. Dito kailangan 1 kilo yung contour.
So nabura na talaga. Kaya totoo ba yung yung pag natulog sila, iba na daw yung kasama nila kasi nawala na yung makeup.
Yes, true.
Ganun talaga. So kayo, malaking adjustment din ba yung ginawa nyo when the time na nag-makeup kayo dito? Parang okay.
Dito po sobrang adjustment po kasi una ko dito, sabi ko nga po kanina, hindi ako marunong. Pero nung ako'y tumungtong dito, lahat ng bagay pinag-aralan ko, step by step, lahat, ultimong kalitlitan kasi maselan sila sa lahat. Ultimong kuko, ultimong kilay, pilik mata, lahat, pati sa katawan, lahat maselan sila.
Especially kasi nila, yung physical kasi makita na kailangan bonggang-bonggan sila pag And kay Marie Chris naman po, what you can suggest kasi it's her first time to work abroad?
Sinasuggest ko lang sa kanya na magaling ka pero dapat adjust mo yung lahat ng bagay na hindi yung pinanggalingan mong magbaback to zero tayo eh.
Hindi
kasi
totoo naman.
Totoo lang ang kuko dito napakaselan. Pati dan sa mga lahat ng bagay may maselan dito. So pag-aralan niya, makinig lang siya sa amin.
Yeah. At by the way guys, si ate pala nagtitrain kay Miss Marie Chris. So ikaw Miss Marie Chris, sumunod ka. Ay! Miss Marie Chris, sumunod ka sa kanya.
Kasi ako po yung matagal dito. So ako yung nagtitrain. Ako po yung lahat ng nakakaalam dito.
Di ba may score ka sa akin kanina? Ano yun?
So ini-scorean ko muna siya ngayon ng 8 kasi ayaw niya ng 10. Kasi baka sabihin niya, pinapalakas ko yung loob niya. Actually, talagang pinapalakas ko yung loob niya.
Wow.
Kasi, pag umalis ako, ako'y naghanap na ng ibang siya naman yung matututunan niya lahat ng ginagawa ko rito. So, wala na akong di ba? Wala na akong responsibilidad, magaling na siya.
And then sometimes naman talaga hindi naman din natin mag-iiwasan talaga mag-jump sa ibang work. Kasi nga, pag nandito ka na, medyo pag lumipat ka, mas malaki kasi yung inaano nila. Kaya from the Philippines, continuous ang pag-hire din nila. Kasi nga, stepping stone, magandang stepping stone.
Totoo yan.
Ang
Kasi unang-una, pag pumunta ka nga rito, wag kang, ang isipin mo yung pangarap mo.
Yes, totoo.
Walang magaling na nagsisimula. Lahat nagsisimula ka sa hindi magaling. Pag nandito ka na, matututo ka na, lahat ng bagay matututunan mo na, ultimo sa kultura, pananalita nila, lahat matututunan.
So dito, marunong kayo mag-Arabic?
Ako po marunong ako mag-Arabic.
As in fluent kayo mag-Arabic, mashallah. Kasi medyo probinsya to medyo malayo siya sa Dubai, guys, 4 hours away.
Shukranada, Saudi.
So matututunan mo din yung Miss Marie Chris. So bakit gusto ni Madam na mag-hire ng mga tao sa Pilipinas?
Kasi po, gusto ni Madam mag-hire ng Pilipino kasi daw po yung Pilipino hindi mahirap turuan. Madaling makagets. Kung konting turo mo lang, alam na kagad yung gagawin.
Especially kung may experience sila sa Pilipinas, no?
Kapag experience ka, kailangan, wag ka lang sa video call magaling.
Tama.
Kailangan sa actual din. Magaling ka. Marunong ka. Hindi na sabihin natin magaling kasi pagpunta mo dito talaga hindi ka magaling.
Hindi saka nakakahiya naman, ibibigay namin kami as an agency, ibibigay namin dito, mapapahiya din kami. Kaya nga sinabi ko kay Miss Marie Chris, siya ang unang tao na hinar ni Madam from us. So, galingan niya kasi nakasalalay sa kanya yung iba pa.
Kasi magaling naman siya kasi marunong naman siya. Marunong siya. Pero, siyempre, ayun nga po, sabi ko nga po, i-adjust niya lang yung konti yung kanyang galing.
Kasi, at least, adjustment talaga kasi ibang lahi ang inaano natin dito.
Maselan pati sila rito sa color ng buhok.
Saka I can see si Miss Marie Chris is magaling makisama. Kasi parang nafe-feel ko 2 days pa lang kayo, close na kayo. Parang gano'n, di ba?
Kasi po ako, lahat ng dumarating na bago rito ay na-approach namin ng maganda. Kasi hindi namin pinaparamdam sa kanilang bago sila.
So magkakasama po kayo sa accommodation. Yun nga po sinasabi
kailangan po kasi huwag mong ipaparamdam sa kapwa mo Pilipinong bago sila. Paramdam mo na mahal nyo sila kasi kapwa nyo sila. Ganon tayong Pilipino.
Totoo po, especially tayo ng alam Pilipino, sinasabi natin, so
Kasan
magtulungan.
man sulok ng mundo tayo mapadpad, basta tayo magpara-pareho tayo ng lahi, kailangan mahalin natin yung kapwa Pilipino natin.
Yeah. So, for working here for 2 years, masasuggest nyo ba yung mga Filipino to work here in Ornella?
Oo, kasi isasuggest ko sa kanila na galingan nyo.
Oo, galingan naman talaga. Yun naman talaga. Performance
Saka
kasi talaga
ipakita
to.
nyo kay madam na good kayo.
Oo, kasi pag pinakita nyo susuklian din yan ni Madam na mas maganda, no?
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi hindi lang kayo ang dadating dito, marami pang iba. Ibibigay nyo rin sa kanila kung ano yung experience nyo.
Yes, totoo. And na-try ba ni Madam na mag-hire ng ibang lahi? Bakit puro Pilipino?
Yes po, nag-try siya before ng Nepali, no? Pagdating niya dito, wala po siyang alam. So,
Pero hinire niya sa bansa nila.
Opo.
So dapat pag ganun, nakita na may experience
Tapos
siya.
pagdating dito, hindi naman siya marunong. Kasi nakalagay sa ano niya, narunong
CV,
siya sa nails,
oo.
lahat marunong siya. Ngayon pagdating dito, wala siyang alam. So binigyan namin siya ng ilang days para matuto. Kaya lang,
Wala talaga.
Wala siyang alam, nanginginig siya, natatakot siya. Nagagalit ang customer. So sabi ni Madam, ayoko na ng ibang lahi. Pilipino na lang talaga. Kasi ang Pilipino, turuan mo ng konti, madaling matuto.
Saka gagawin talaga yung best nila, no? Hindi, iba naman din talaga, kahit hindi naman ganong lahi or kahit ibang lahi, iba kasi makapunta lang sa ibang bansa, dinadaya nila yung ano. Pero talaga tayo, ayaw natin mapahiya sa mga employer. Kaya
Kasi
sinasala
ako,
din natin.
nung una, no, dumating ako dito, hindi talaga ako magaling. Pero marunong ako. Tapos nakikinig lang ako talagi sa mga kasama ko. Yung mga mas nauna sa akin, nakinig ako sa kanila. Magkakasabayan kaming tatlo eh. Si Emmy, si Myra, ako.
Apo.
Hindi ako magaling, pero ang sabi ko sa kanila, tatry ko yung best ko, especially sa pag-shampoo, maselan sila yun, nababasa yung
Ay,
bago.
ganun,
Kasi sabi ko, sige, tatry ko yung best ko, pag-aaralan ko yan. Nung una, gusto na ako i-give up ni Madam eh.
Ay,
Kasi
talaga?
talagang, oo.
Hindi kayo ganun karunong?
Honest po to.
Paano po
Sabi
hindi
ko,
kayo honest? Ay, joke lang. Sige,
gusto
honest
niya-
kayo.
Gusto daw talaga niya, sabi niya sa akin, bibili na kita ng ticket, uwi na ako. Uwi ka na, sabi niya.
Apo.
Kasi sabi sa akin ni Myra, wag Madam, kasi yan, Pilipino yan, magadaling matuto yan.
So hindi naman nagsisi si Madam kasi
Hindi
hanggang ngayon
nagsisi.
nandito
Ngayon,
kayo pa nagtuturo.
ayaw na ni Madam pauwiin ako. Tapos yung kontrata. Kahit tapos na yung kontrata ko, ayaw ni Madam, sabi, nakikiusap siya sa akin, especially pagkakalibrate ng mga machine dito. Ayaw ni Madam na umuwi muna ako. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang muna na mag-extend ako ng 3 months kasi yung pagtuturo nga ng mga tao.
That's a good thing. Talagang pag ginalingan mo naman, di ka nila bibitawan, no? So, thank you so much po, ate. Ano po yun?
Cheryl po, Cheryl.
Ate Cheryl and Miss Marie Chris dito sa pagpapatuloy. At nakita natin, guys, kung ano ba yung pinagtatrabaho ni ate at ano din kayo na...
Welcome po kayo sa Ornella.
Yes.
Maganda po tong Ornella, malinis.
Yeah, sa labas parang ang liit, pero pagpasok mo, napakalaki pala eh, no?
Oo, talagang magtataka kayo, no?
Oo.
Pakita nyo sa labas, napakaliit ng
Yun
place.
lang,
Pero
oo.
pagpasok nyo, magulat kayo kasi ang daming
Ang daming facilities, ang daming pwedeng gawin.
Iba-iba yung mga ano niyan, merong...
Massage, Moroccan bath, merong nails, merong ano, and then, ang cool niya. So guys, ito yung pwede nyo pagtrabuhan in case na kayo ma-select ni Madam. So ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Basta, huwag kayong matakot gumastos.
Hindi,
Ang
totoo naman talaga yung investment nila yan sa
kasi
sarili
pagdating
nila.
pagdating nyo dito sa UAE, meron pa, hindi lang marami pa kayong ma-experience.
Yeah.
Stepping stone nyo lang to.
Saka
Huwag nyo isipin maliit yung sahod, basta isipin nyo yung pangarap nyo.
Yes, totoo naman yan. Talagang pag nangarap ka, taasan mo na. No, Miss Marie Chris? Kayo po?
Ako, nangarap ako, simple lang, pero siyempre, may goal ako.
Yes, totoo naman. Dapat naman talaga lahat tayo may goal kasi doon tayo papunta eh. At least alam natin yung path natin. So, okay guys. So, yun lang po. At maraming salamat po dito sa kanila sa pag-interview. At si ate din. Hello po, ate.
Interviewin nyo rin po yun, tsaka yung nandun sa kabila.
So, lahat ng mga Filipino dito. Hindi, okay lang po kasi masyado na rin mahaba. At nakita na natin yung buong facility. And yung mga Filipinos na nagtatrabaho dito, I can say na okay talaga sila. Nakatrabaho. So, sana mas maging okay pa kayo dito, Miss Marie Chris. At kayo, anything happens, just call us. Okay? So, thank you po. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.